Hi guys, welcome to Endoca. My name's Demi and today we're going to be talking about CBD suppositories, their benefits, what's inside, how to use them, and if there's something that might be able to benefit you. Our suppositories are about as pure as they come. They're essentially hemp extract, some hemp waxes and some coconut oil. We didn't want to complicate the ingredients of our suppositories because most of the time they're going into parts of our bodies that are very sensitive. Therefore, we wanted to keep the ingredients as pure as possible. So we wanted to have some suppositories to show you guys, but the box that Jonathan bought unfortunately is empty because he's actually used them all. So not all men are weird about it, but we know that some are. So we're doing this video to talk about it, to try and change the taboo a little bit, right? Well, now here comes the fun part. So essentially, suppositories are meant to be used and inserted into the vagina or the anus. Fun topic, right? Believe it or not, anal absorption for medications is actually pretty common. That's because that part of our body is right next to a main artery. Therefore, the medication, when formulated correctly, can be absorbed directly into that main artery and actually gets to bypass that first liver metabolism process, meaning that we get maximum amount of medication, in this situation CBD, into our bloodstream and circulated around the body. Also, using suppositories means that the CBD is going to be absorbed and administered, generally speaking, in the lower part of the body. This means that if you're using the suppository vaginally, for example, a lot of our customers say that it does wonders for menstrual cramps, for endometriosis, any kind of pain in that part of the body. Anal insertion means that anyone having issues with the colon, particularly the prostate, which is a super touchy and important topic for men to talk about as well. It means that the CBD is being essentially absorbed directly in that area of the body. Therefore, if you are having issues in that part of your body, CBD suppositories for me is kind of a no-brainer. Suppositories are also a great option for people that perhaps can't swallow properly, hate the taste of hemp, or they find that hemp drops or capsules just give them a bit of an upset stomach. So how do you dose the suppository? Well, most of our customers will take one suppository just before bed. This is kind of important to know just because, well, although the CBD gets absorbed, obviously the oils and the plant waxes can't get absorbed. So they kind of need somewhere to go. Therefore, sounds super unsexy, but there might be some leakage. Therefore, if you're using a suppository, I wouldn't go out for a run or to go do the shopping. Best to do it just before bed, wake up in the morning, and you're good to go. Like everything, there's pros and there's cons. So we know that suppositories are not for everyone. Also, if you're not super dexterous in the sense that like perhaps you don't have great mobility, perhaps suppositories might be a little bit difficult to insert as well. Okay, so the benefits. Let's get serious here. Suppositories, as so far we've seen in the studies that exist at the moment, they have the best rate of absorption. So if you are someone that wants maximum CBD, or perhaps you need maximum CBD, jokes aside, suppositories are amazing. Whether you're a man or a woman, however you want to use them, however often you want to use them, they're an amazing product if you want maximum CBD absorption, and there's really nothing to be weird about when it comes to suppositories. So, to finish up, have you guys ever used CBD suppositories? What do you use them for? Have you heard of any amazing stories of people using CBD for suppositories? In our community, we've got people using them for prostate issues, endometriosis pain, menstrual cramps, plenty of things. If you're curious to hear more about suppositories or CBD in general and the products people are using, go down below and join our CBD Facebook group. We've got amazing people there that can answer any question you have, and we're always looking for new members, and we love talking about everything CBD. So come and join us there. If you liked the video, like and subscribe, and we'll see you for the next video. See you later. Bye.